For as low as 800,000 down payment ay pwede mo na itong lipatan ang aming Amara Expanded Model Unit. Meron itong lot area na 110 square meters at ang kanyang floor area naman ay 147 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, isang parking lot, balcony at may attic pa sa taas. Located ito sa Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan, kung saan isang sakay ka lang papuntang Ayala Malls Balintawak, SM Grand Central at SM Marilao. Malapit ito sa new development ng Mega World, ang Northwind Global City. At ang pinakabago ay less than 1 hour lang ay andun ka na sa soon to rise New Bulacan International Airport sa Bulacan, Bulacan. Dito ay flood-free at walang fault line. Kumpleto ang kanilang amenities katulad ng swimming pool, clubhouse, basketball court and children's playground at 24/7 na security guard. 8,174,575 ang price. 817,000 pesos ang kanyang down payment na payable pa for 6